Fitting a 1.5TB hard drive into an Apple iMac. First, remove the memory slot from the bottom. Place suction cups on the screen and remove the glass by carefully lifting upwards. Next, remove all the screws around the edge of the screen using a Torx driver. Then gently lift the edge of the screen away from the body at the top, and then lift the front cover away and place over the top of the machine. Next, remove the screws around the edge of the LCD panel. Next, remove the two screws from the LCD connector and remove from the graphics card. Lift the display, exposing the four small connectors underneath. It might be worth marking these connectors before you remove them with a pen to aid reassembly. Remove the connectors. Next, remove the hard drive temperature sensor and unclip the hard drive from the chassis. Remove the plastic clip from the side of the hard drive using a Torx driver. Fit plastic clip onto new hard drive. Remove small pins from the side of the old hard drive. Fit the pins on the side of your new hard drive. Fit the hard drive back in place. Connect the power and the serial ATA connectors first. Line up pins with mounting brackets and clip back into place. This requires some force. Fit temperature sensor back onto hard drive. Next, place the LCD screen into the top of the case and reconnect the small connectors. Reconnect monitor connection cable and screw down to main board. Screw LCD panel back into place on the machine. Refit front cover on machine. Refit all the screws holding the front panel onto the machine. The front panel screws are various sizes, so ensure you fit the correct screws in the correct locations. Remove any dust from the LCD display and the glass front panel. Place glass back onto machine and release suction cups. Refit memory door to complete the upgrade.